This brand is made by Unitary Products Group, which is a part of Johnson Controls Company, but the units are only available through their dealer network in the USA. The THF4 models have basic features and a 8.2 heating efficiency rating. The units have impact-resistant, powder-painted, galvanized steel, two-piece extruded coil guards, but they are slotted, which provides less protection than louvered panels. They feature micro-channel construction for a compact unit and are backed by an average warranty. The HL19 models are premium units that feature their silent drive noise control system, which includes a swept-wing condenser fan, isolated compressor compartment, and base pan made of a composite material. They also use demand defrost for more efficient operation. They have a 10 HSPF heating efficiency and the warranty is very good when the units are installed as a matched system. The HL20 models are ultimate units featuring variable speed fans and compressors, as well as a compressor blanket for very quiet operation. They have a climate sync feature that allows the installing contractor to quickly fine-tune the equipment to match the climate where the equipment is installed. Their Charge Smart feature allows an installing contractor to quickly and accurately install and charge the HL20. The warranty on the units is not as good as some of the other brands, as it does not include unit replacement if the compressor fails.